I remember jumping off the cement dock at the Boy Scout camp at the lake, and it was like this mysterious place that we, but we loved it. We couldn't get enough of it, and I get to still play in the lake. I still get to enjoy being out here in the field and seeing the issues that are happening now and the changes that have happened since I was a little boy.
So when the community called us, there was a serious midge-fly issue that was increasingly getting worse. Eventually turned into a fish kill.
Midge flies, algae blooms, fish kills, nutrient loading.
And so we knew we needed to act quickly. This project gave us an opportunity to leverage many different technologies that we were using on individual projects, and now we had an opportunity to really kind of roll it out all on one project.
We went with the natural system of this nano bubbler, and it turned our pond around in a matter of a couple of months. The midge fly problem is gone. The cattails are cleaned up. We're starting to notice white sandy bottoms on the pond. We would like to put these nano machines on a lot of the lakes that are out here. Anomalos Industries has brought us a natural approach. We've got a healthy looking pond. The residents are happy, and that's what it's all about.
Using microbial technology and nano aeration, we can do the job a lot faster when it comes to remediation, speeding up the process, the metabolic process of the lake or whatever environment it is. The problem is these lakes are starving for oxygen, and then you have the nutrient levels that are ridiculously high. Technology right here is an IV for nature.
On the back end, it also gave us an opportunity really to show how we can put together a long-term plan that was going to provide immediate impact in the first 3 months, and then make sure that in the next year, 2 years, all that progress that was made immediately in the first 3 months in the remediation process is maintained long-term, building resiliency for the lake so that lake is sustainable for years to come.
One of the technologies that we use in our solutions packages is Moliere, a nano aeration company, and they have really done an amazing job at packaging this technology, making it mobile and very versatile and durable for the customer. So it's a very disruptive technology. The nanobubbles will stay in saturation for months at a time, and they will actually penetrate that muck layer. Is huge. It's a no-brainer.
So I'm excited about the future of what we're doing. One, because I'm a Florida boy, born and raised, right? We're surrounded by water, and being around these type of bodies of water and communities growing up has always been, a pleasure for us, something for us to enjoy. By encouraging a regenerative process that's going to allow the lakes to restore itself, and that's what's exciting for us. Being able to break the mold, kind of disrupt the process that's been ultimately counterproductive to what we're trying to do, and that's to keep these lakes healthy, keep these lakes beautiful.
I get super excited about just getting out there and actually taking a different approach to things, using new technology. We're a young company, and we provide disruptive solutions. The future is bright when it comes to restoring nature. Resiliency is what we're about.